Okay, the topic is talk about an important special event you celebrated. Past tense, please.
I have attended many events in my life, such as weddings and festivals. But today I would like to talk about our national festival, Eid ul Azha, Eid ul Fitr, and it's really popular in our country. We celebrate it every year. Um, the day before the I celebrated it with my family some months ago, so I remember it very well. The day before the event, we went shopping on the Chand Raat. There is a day before the Eid called Chand Raat. We went for shopping and for mehendi and to eat outside. On the day of Eid, my mother cooked sweet dishes for us in the evening. Then we went to our Nani's house and
Granny's house.
Granny's house, and she gave us
Okay,
Eid.
this is fantastic. Just try to speak a little more actively
Okay.
and energetically.
Okay, sir.
Right? Now, let's go on. Speaking part 3. How do people in your country celebrate events?
Um, Sir, we spend time together at our house, and we make food together so that it make peace between us, and we decorate our house together with cousins, or we eat outside to celebrate our events.
Okay, this is good. Just you need practice and familiarity with all these topics and try to speak. I mean, change your tone. इससे बाहर निकले, ठीक है? Otherwise, it's good. Thank you. Keep it up.